Assalamu alaikum. Today's video is about not cooling problem of no frost refrigerator. First of all, disclaimers. I'm not a mechanic. This is very first time I'm going to do this with my own disk, just based on the circuit diagram given backside of the refrigerator. According to the circuit diagram, I have checked the defrost timer, compressor, condenser, evaporator, but all is okay. Now I'm going to check evaporator fan. This is an evaporator fan which is not working at all. See how jam this is. Wash the moving parts of the motor like this. It is moving better now. I'm reassembling the motor. Let's check it is working or not. Yes, this is totally okay now. To check evaporator fan like this, you must need to close the door switch. So press the switch when the door is open, otherwise your fan will not work at all. The refrigerator is being cooled now. That's all. Take care everyone. Allah Hafiz.